Rule number 6. We never use the genitive pronoun for possession. Instead, we use the possessive adjective. Each pronoun has its own possessive adjective form. Ego, meaning I, has meos aum. Tu has tuus aum. Nos has noster, nostra, nostrum. Vos has vester, vestra, vestrum. The third person, well, there's no nominative pronoun, but we do have the reflexive sui, sibi, se for the pronoun, which I just talked about in Rule 5. And this has the possessive adjective suos aum, both for the singular and the plural. I've touched upon this rule a couple of times already, namely that the genitive pronouns don't signify possession. To do so, we need to use the possessive adjective. Example, this is my book is not hic est liber mei, this is the book of me, but hic est liber meius. Your job, labor tuus, rather than labor tui. My house, domus mea, not domus mei. They stole our swords. Gladios nostros raptaverunt. Gaius Gracchus said, suos parentes amat. He loves his parents. Note that the suos is reflexive, so it refers back to the subject. The he and his are the same guy. Oh, this phrase could also be translated, she loves her parents. This rule only works for the personal or reflexive pronouns. If, though, we wanted to say she loves the parents of, like, her husband, so someone else's parents, we would use the genitive eius, or maybe it's Claudia's parents, then still the genitive of possession works fine. The genitive of the personal pronoun is only used for the objective and partitive genitives, with nostrum and vestrum used partitively, nostri and vestri used objectively. This is rule number 4. So you would say caritas tui for affection towards you, the objective use, or nemo nostrum, not any one of us. Okay, rule number 6. We never use the genitive pronoun for possession. Instead, we use the possessive adjective.